Welcome to my week 8 scenario maintenance and maintenance adventure for my database. I've been able to create a maintenance plan and which includes uh, which checks database integrity and reviews index, reorganize indexes and update statistics, and does a backup of the database, a full backup of the database, and also it's scheduled to run weekly. So I will show you. Head over to my management studio. So this is a management plan for, I use the sales order example database for the setup to the management plan. So to show that this is working, I followed the documentation as well. So it has to check database integrity, reorganizes indexes, rebuilds index of the statistics, as well as the database full backup. So here is my maintenance plan. So let's go ahead and execute the maintenance plan. So once you click execute, to start loading, it take a while for it to complete because it will have to run the check database integrity, organize index, build index, update the statistics, as well as runs a backup of the database. So all of this it will do in the back end. So we'll not be able to see it for now. So here it is done. As you can see, the maintenance plan has been executed successfully. We can go view report if we want, and then probably whatever we want to do with the report. That one is done for now. All right, so the second one is to build an automation for um, my current company. So actually, the automation I want to build is the manager wants to be able to see those who log in into the database. And before we even get into that place, we will have to let me open back my management server to show you this is as well the maintenance plan here. So it occurs every week on Sunday. Okay, so this you can still run it from here. All right, so in order to for the show two, we talked about us running a a job automation as well. So the manager wants to have a log of more or less like track people who log into each the database and see the user that logs in as well as see the database that they access. So this will help him be able to know those accessing the data, those trying to access the data that the database that they are not meant to access, and also be able to track if there is an unauthorized access to any database that it's not meant to. So this will help the company be able to track the logins and also the data usage, and also know who actually has access to which database. So this can be able to, so they can be able to look and then see if they can be able to move this person from having access to this database, or moving this probably the role that each user has on each database. So probably can be able to do that. So for me, I was able to run a code. Mm, I built a job. So this is the code I implemented there. So this one was able to drop if the database is existing already, and then create a new one if there is none. And this will be able to impute the data, the log from the database. So let's run the, this is it. Let's run it to make sure that it's working. So when we do start job, and then click here, start from one. So let's have the job run. Okay. First one is done. So the second one is still going now. The two of them are done. So this as well. Before this as well, I also schedule this to be running every day. So there's a scheduler for it, and it's running every day. So let's first check this, and then I'll go back and then show you what's the, so this is it. Now this is the log. So let's select. So we're able to see, okay, this user, okay, he access the MSB database, and then this user access the MSB database. Caro the programmer access the bowling league example. Okay, user access the master database. Okay, so basically we can be able to see those. So if you see someone who accessed the database that they're not meant to access at a certain time, be able to like know how to query them and then follow up on them. So this is the time that they logged in. Now, so this is captured time that the data were captured. All right, so uh, I think this is the my week 8 scenario so far. Thank you very much.